Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. We are #1 for Roush dealers in Canada, and we're the only Roush dealer on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2020 Roush Nitemare in agate black. It's had upgraded 3-inch front and 4-inch rear street performance lowering kit by Belltech. It also has a tonneau cover, wheel flares. There's also been 2-inch wheel spaces put in for the Nitto tires to give it a wide body stance. As well, the seats have been upgraded with leather and suede. And it has also a 650 horsepower engine. It's a 5-liter V8, and this gives you street performance. It goes from 0 to 60 in as little as 3.9 seconds. And all the great features that you love about the Roush, with the badging and the clearance sliding with the grille. If you'd like to take this out for a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and you have this nice black perforated leather seating with the red suede accents and the Nitemare stitching. You also have your Roush all-weather mats on the floor for easy cleanup, electronic parking brake, lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope. The vehicle has been lowered with the Belltech 3-inch in the front and 4 inches in the back. That makes it easy to get in, as well as the grab handle. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and I don't know if you can hear that rumble, but it's pretty impressive. So we can toggle through the display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode, and when we press this, it'll appear normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. In the center, you have the badging for Roush Nitemare, as well as the serial number, and there's a little bin to put things. Traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. You have your radio with AM, FM, and when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. There you go. As well, you've got your volume and tuner, and down below, front defrost, as well as your AC and max AC. Off to the side, 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. You've got a USB and a 12 volt. There's a little bin down there. In the center, the armrest has a couple of cup holders, and then you can flip the seat back up for another seating position and unclip it underneath. There's storage under there, and off to the side is your 12 volt. You also have a locking glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror, and you also have your lighting controls, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. Upgraded Nitto tires with 2-inch spacers and 22-inch wheels, wheel flares, black door handle with black side view mirror. Driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. Black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have your backup camera just below that handle, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And you've also got the Roush badging on the back with Nitemare, all blacked out, so it's a very sleek look. You also have the hard tonneau cover, and then when we want to open it up, just lift the latch. You've got this nice spray-in liner, tie-downs in all 4 corners, and there's also a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in. With that tonneau cover, you can close it up, lock it up, and keep everything secure, or you can jump in and head out on your latest adventure. This is a regular cab, so when we want to get in behind the seats, we just manually pull the lever at the base, brings the seat ahead for us, and then we can lift the lever, and we now have access to the jack behind the seat. We can also put a few things there. There's also the carpeted mats and slim pockets on the back of the front seats. Black bumper, 5.5-foot box, hard tonneau cover, Roush dual tip exhaust, privacy glass in the windows, powered side view mirrors, wheel flares, Roush badging on your windshield, Roush clearance lighting on your grille, tow hooks, auto high beams, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.